So let me jump right into it and thank QT here for sponsoring this video. And in the package I received these goodies. Cute, don't it? Anyway, the wig that I received is a 12-inch 5x5 ombre honey blend straight bob closure wig. Density of it is 180 and the lace is transparent, and it also came pre-cut, pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about doing those. And inside you have 2 wig combs and adjustable strap for that secure fit. So fitting up the wig to see what I'm working with. And I can say that I love the color, but I'm not feeling how they bleached it. You understand? Like the transition with the brown and honey blend, it's not giving. Especially at the front, I think they should have, you know, like feathering the bleach so it give a smooth transition. I'm gonna have to work with it, so let me get to it. So anyway, what I'm gonna be doing today is gonna be a simple fix, like a very easy installment, and it's gonna be glueless. So with that, I don't need to do much. So what I'm gonna ask you guys to do is just sit back and watch me do my thing. and I'm done. Yes, this is the end result, and I can say that the quality is good. Like, you're not getting any shedding, and that is A plus, right? And it's also very bouncy. Yes, wetting this ago. But what I don't like is how they bleached it. You know, it could have done better. You understand me? But I love the color, and I also love that I didn't have to trim it. I didn't have to cut it. No, nothing. The bob cut was perfect. With this wig, it is not problematic, you know. You can do it on your own. Baby here, no baby here. You can take it out of the package and put it on and go. Quick and easy installment. So anyway, guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you want to subscribe to the girl channel. Alright. Anyway, guys, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.